apparently you can pull up the full trip log. And so far, it's funny, it actually has the date the truck was manufactured. So the truck was manufactured on the 14th of December 2022. So that's when it came off the assembly line. And it actually has the time, I guess it took its first drive, which was 9:38 p.m. So that's the exact time the truck came off the assembly line. Now you can see, let's see, it's drove 59.6 hours. It's used 292 gallons of fuel. It's drove in 28.5 hours. I don't know why the average fuel economy is 1.5 miles to the gallon, but it's definitely been more than that. And now, let's see here. I'm gonna scroll down here. You got the idle hours. It's idled 31 hours. It's got the idle fuel 23.7. So yeah, I just thought that was pretty neat that it keeps a log from